It's Aubrey here. Today I'm doing the Eureka Math Grade 3 Module 5 Lesson 26 homework. So let's get started. Number 1. So partition the number line to show the fractional units. Then draw number bonds with copies of one whole for the circle whole numbers. So we have 6 here. So let's start labeling. 0 to 1, that's one whole. So I have to split that whole into 6 parts. I find it easier to first split into thirds and split each third in half. But yeah. And now 1 and 2, that's another whole. So I have to split the distance between that into 6 parts as well. So now we can start labeling. 0 just be 0 over 6. And next one, that's 1/6. 2/6, 3/6, 4/6, 5, and a whole is 6 over 6 because the numerator and the denominator are the same number. Next is 7/6, 8/6, 10, and 12/6. So now we can start. 0 equals 0/6. That's just 0 over 6 because 0 is equal to 0 and that won't change. Now 1 is equal to 6/6 because we have 6 over 6. It's not equal to 1/6 because it's 1, because if it was equal to 1/6, that'd be 1 over 6. So it's equal to 6/6. And a number bond, 1, don't really break it apart, it's just equal to 6/6. Now 2 is equal to 12/6. That's also because 6 times 2 is 12. That's 12 over 6. It's not equal to 2 over 6, because if it was 2/6, that wouldn't even be half. So 2, break it apart into 6/6 and 6/6. So 1 plus 1 is 2. Alright, let's move down. Fifths. So split each whole into fifths. 1. So 2 times 5 is 10. So this is 10/5. Next would be 11, 12, 15/5, 16, 18, 19, and 25. Because also 20 divided by 5 is 4. So now let's start. 2, that's equal to 10/5. It's not equal to 2/5. It's 10/5 because also 2 times 5 is 10. So 2, we can split apart into 5/5 and 5/5 because they want us to break it apart into wholes. And each 5/5 is a whole. Alright, now, here 3 equals, well, if we look at 3, it's right below 15/5. So 15/5, that's 5/5 plus 5/5 plus 5/5. And 4 equals 4 times 5, and you can also look up here, that's 20/5. So that's 5/5, that's 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Alright, next page. For 2, write the fractions that name the whole numbers for each fractional unit. The first one has been done for you. So we see a number line 2, 3, and 4. So first thirds, want to find what fraction it would be if it was like 2, 3, or 4. So to find 2, meaning if we were to graph, or not graph, like plot the number line into thirds, then this fraction would be over the 2. And they got 6 thirds because if you just do 2 times 3, that's 6. So you can put 6 over 3. Because then when you do 6 divided by 3, that'll give you 2. Now for 3 times 3 is 9. That means 9 divided by 3 is 3. So that's 9 over 3. And for 4, 3 times 4 is 12. So 12 thirds. Now let's try sevenths. 2, we do 2 times 7. So that's 14 over 7 now. 14 divided by 7 is equal to 2. And thirds, 7 times 3 is 21 over 7. And 7 times 4 is 28 over 7. Alright, now for eighths. 8 times 2 is 16 over 8. 8 times 3 is 24 over 8. And 8 times 4 is 32 over 8. Now tenths, hopefully you caught on the gist by now. You're just multiplying by each number and putting it over the number, the original. So 10 times 2 is 20 over 10. 10 times 3 is 30 over 10. And 10 times 4 is 40 over 10. Alright, now let's move down. Ryder dribbles the ball down 1/3 of the basketball court on the first day of practice. Each day after that, he dribbles 1/3 of the way more than he did the day before. Draw a number line to represent the court partition, number line to represent how far Ryder dribbles on day 1, 2, and 3 of practice. Alright, so 0. And this would be 1 or 3/3. 0 is 0 thirds. So this next one is 1/3, 2/3, and 3/3. So day 1, he he dribbles 1/3 of the court. So this is day 1. We can write D1. Now each day after that, he dribbles it 1/3 of the way more. So he moves up. So this is day 1, day 2. And that means if this is day 2, then this is day 3. That means 3/3 is how much he dribbles on day 3. So on day 3, he dribbles 3/3 of the way. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video helps. And please don't forget to like and subscribe because it really helps on my channel. See you guys next time. Bye!